The nice thing with a double top trade, and I know I talk about it all the time, but I got to get you guys in the right mind frame for this. The other reason that this is so nice is because you can put your stop right here. So even if it does break through, your risk to reward is crazy, right? So this is your risk, this little tiny area. And then, of course, this is your reward all the way to 609. Here to here, put your stop above. Now remember, it can pop through, right? That's not, oh no, oh crap. This is why we give our stops some room, right? And then this is your reward. So up here is your risk. Just trying to draw this out real nice. To reward. Isn't that nice? This is like one of the best trades you could do all day long. If you literally waited all day, right, for this one setup, this would have changed your account, right? That's a $10 move. That is a $10 move right there. So 10 contracts, $10, do the math, 5, 6 grand, maybe a little more, right? So we had $1.60 was resistance, double top at $1. I think it was $1. Yep, 74. Watch your L2s. Lots of volume in here. 4.39 million on a super micro float. 1.23 million.
Massive.
203. Yep,
Massive. As I
203%.
say, massive green candle and SPCB for some reason. That is a huge candle and it's running fast.
Let's take a look at it. SP, what is it?
SPCB as in boy.
Got it. Thank you. Nice,
Just
nice.
pulled back a little bit.
Yep, I see it. LSDI, $1.74. We're waiting on the break. Still got lots of volume. And look at the L2s. Lots of buyers. You see over here, they're stacking up, baby. That's positive. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Keep an eye on this. We got buyers at $1.70. They're kind of getting bought out pretty quick, though. So this is the area we need to break, $1.74. So if you didn't get in down here at $1.70, this $1.74 is great. But this is stair stepping up. Still got tons of volume. I see lots of buyers at $1.70. They keep getting bought out and it disappears, and then more get lined up at $1. They had $1.70. So I'm going to put a level right here just to keep an eye on it. That $1.70 is like a mini support level. You see it on the L2 here?
Yep.
It just keeps staying there. So we got to be careful because if it pulls back, it's going to crash really hard because we don't have support again until $1.65, $1.55. So there it goes. There it goes. There goes the run. Nice job. Merry Christmas. That's beautiful. So your stop would be about 580. So 5.79. This is what it would look like. So even now, if I wanted to get in, I can do a market buy, having my stop at 579. Boom, I'm in it. See my stop? There's 1,500 shares. Right here's my stop. I could do a trailing stop for 20 cents, or I can have a hard stop in this case, which I do. I can move this up. You guys can see I can manipulate this stop anywhere I want. Everybody see how I'm doing that?
That's breathe back. Never did touch the stop either.
Nope, it sure didn't. And this is why I want to give this some room, right? I want to give this some room to pop. But do you guys see it? So right here, and always know what your risks are, right? If this knife drops, what's your risk? If it blows through the knife stop, how much do you got on the table? You guys can see it. Keep stopping at 5918. 5918. That looks like a great spot to scoop some up.
Yeah.
So anyway, so this is how you guys, there it goes. It's going green, but this is how you guys will trade off of shares. Now notice I've got very minimal risk. My absolute risk on this trade right here could be about 300 bucks, right? It's a $9,000 entry with about a $300 risk max. So I put my stop below this. So I'm keeping my stop below 592 because that's where it keeps breathing back to it. And as soon as this goes green, there it go. I want it to pop more. There it is. There it is. There's $100. Boom, just made $100. Everybody catch that? Okay, here's the channel right there. Here's your buy every single time right there. See it?
Like now.
There's a put. See them? And then always just have your stop above VWAP. But look at how many times it's ran this channel. Do you guys see this? VWAP is resistance. What do we buy on resistance, everyone?
Puts.
Puts. Now watch. You see how it's getting momentum? Now you're paying attention because it's touched it. What do I always say? If it touches it 18 million times, eventually it's going to top or drop.